Hello. Thanks for coming back. I know it's been a busy day here. It has. I have yet to put things away. Shocking as that might be. Anyway, I'm going to turn the monitor on. I've left this here being torture tested for a good long time. And this, if I remember rightly, testing program. Oh. Yep, we're going through the torture. All feels good. So it has now run the test on this board 178 times. So if that's not torture, I'm not sure what is. Yes, that is torture. I guess way back when in the factory they had a burn-in period. I remember seeing stickers on things. I don't see any on these. I remember one specific, it said Westchester burn-in. Where I guess they would just have things and turn them on, leave them on, and let them get good and hot and see if they failed. So I guess I'm doing a similar thing. Anyway, Hagrid has been dancing here for a while. So you can put your arms down now, Hagrid. You can. Oh, yeah. So, have I made much progress on the desk here? Well, it's a little clearer here. I worked on things here. But it will get better once I start to... Well, first of all, I've got all this 64C stuff that I'm going to put away altogether. It's all right there. Yeah. That's what I will do, little by little by little. What else? Oh. I have so much to do. I have to start, and I don't know if you know, but just up above me here, where you can't see, is my old original Commodore PET. And I'm going to put it up for sale. So I need to get it down. And this is a machine that I got. It's gorgeous. And I said, yes, at some point I will really dig into that and figure out what's going on. Well, I haven't, and I'm not going to. I just don't have time. And as you know, or have seen recently, like just quickly assessing and sorting out a disk drive and everything else involved in that can take a couple hours or more. So, it is time to pass it on. But anyway, that is not what I'm doing at this moment. Actually, I'm feeling a little tired. It's a lovely, beautiful day outside. So maybe it's a time to go outside. Maybe. Maybe it is. I found in the midst of taking things off and picking things up, it's a pet keyboard. Which of course sounds like some of the VIC-20s that have the pet style keys. They are indeed rare. Anyways, that looks like it could use a little cleaning. So, the torture continues. It does. And I keep finding screwdrivers. I do. And this one is also a ratchet screwdriver, but it does seem to be working just fine. It does. I'm just looking around. You know, here's the thing. Boy, this is really well built. And what is this? Nothing to do with Commodore. It's a mount thing for like a lamp. Like I just found these downstairs, and they have similar mounts to this. They mount on a desk so you can stick a lamp that it has the right size thing plug so that you can then have like lamps overhead, and once in a while, like if I really want to get a good look, I'll turn this over and say, "Ooh, let me look at that," which is very helpful at times. It is, but this is a magnificent thing. It's heavy. It's got a pad. The part you screw in is padded, but the hole is too small for any of the lamps that I have, which makes no sense because I'm sure this came with a lamp, but it won't do anything for me. I suppose I could just stick it on here and stick a screwdriver in it. Oh, yeah, that'll fit. Or maybe, what am I always losing? Ooh, let me get that a little tighter. Ooh. And it's funny, you know, there's a lot of tables and desks that these things just won't work on. But this table, it's beautiful. Look, there. I can keep my marker there. It is so good, this thing, even though it's too small. I'm really tempted at some point to try and drill it out to make it workable. Or I guess the other thing is somewhere there must be some lamp that fits it. Somewhere. I just don't know. For the moment, I will keep a Sharpie in it. The Sharpie doesn't actually fit that well, but it certainly is right there. What else do I have here at this moment? Not much. You know what? Let's just turn this on again. We'll see how the torture is going. Come on. Please wait. Video. 185 times. I'm not sure how long this test takes. So I don't know for how long I've had it torturing away, but it's a good while. Alright. Oh, it is time to rest. It is. So, thank you for being here. I'm sure tomorrow I'll be doing something else. I'm sure. And I have started to list things online. So, once again, if you're looking for something, don't hesitate to write to me. I'll be here. I will. Anyway, good night, Hagrid. Let's see if we can get our hand on this without causing an avalanche. Whoa! Yeah, that didn't come out. No, that didn't come out. I think I have. I'll put that up here. Until things fall. I believe here I have some things that I need to reassemble. And it's funny, you know, this case for a 1541, it's not ugly dirty, but it's yellowed. And I don't do retro-brighting things, But I tell you, on the front of it is the decal for the Commodore single disk drive floppy disk, single drive floppy disk, VIC 1541. And it still has the protective cuff stuff on it. So that is something. Even though this part looks good on the inside, but that isn't where it got the sun. And this side looks pretty fine. I guess, you know what, if you had this sort of up against some other drives and under drives, you would never see. But anyway, that's not likely to happen. I wonder if there's a way for me to successfully rescue this decal. I don't know. I am too tired to deal with it now. So, enough. Thank you very much for coming.